All right. Are you through? Ano ba na mag-express ka? Ang puyo. Sino?
I think graduation count no, wala.
Four out. In. Two minutes and 56 seconds. Don't forget your concluding sentences by giving your overall impact to the audience. Pwede po ang lesson ninyo na learn at ayaw mga mukata rin kasi kung kagaling mo. Malimot, sumamit siya ba? 1 minute and 56 seconds. Mas pasa sa 10 minutes mo. Lote ay nasa. Can you prepare yourself, Karen? Take a photo of that and then send it via Bluetooth. That is your judgment. Your opinion. The opinion there is the 2 months of one. Ganyan naman. Galas 2 or don't count. Pang-model sa country, Thailand. Kailan ka magpapicture ha? Pag-iwan mo ng friend natin sa mga friends ko, mga
Favorite ka na?
Okay, please send your output to my laptop via Bluetooth. One. Alright. Relampagos group. Okay na? Sige, next. Sige, go. Okay na yung ano. Klaro ninyo? Klaro ninyo? Alright, can you report into the class? Any representative from Group 1? Let us give presents to the Group 1, represented by Miss Rion.
Good afternoon, classmates. It's my name is Islam. So this is our topic. So the video that is created by the True Love Waste Organization shows that true love is not defined by the gift that someone will give to you. We could give you many expensive gifts like fancy flowers and soft toys, but still doesn't love you truly. So this video serves as an awareness for the youth to for the youth who never really told their love because it could
IMG 2024, diba? IMG 2024. 05. 5. Kasi paling ka.
Ay na. Utro ko din ikaw. Lain mo. Lain na kayang dili ko na sa.
IMG 2024.
Ang hairline na check. Ang hairline na.
So, bata.
Go. IMG 2024. Alright, let us give our hands to the group 2. Hayat to hayat. Okay, natawa na to. How they critique the video. Are they giving well-rounded or one side only? Are they destroying or are they looking at perspective, both perspectives? Without.
True love doesn't start with that person. The reason the girl love towards the boy, but that you love you, mama, you think and you love all. It is good to feel love, but not love. Put limitation in your relationship and don't love too much that you forget about yourself. Always remember that you love you and you will love is affect your good one and
Alright, let us clap our hands to the group 2. Rain clap. Rain clap. Do you know rain clap? Okay, the rain starts with raindrops. 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 Hanggang kusog siya, kusog siya, kusog siya. Hanggang alright, so now let us analyze and give evaluation to your critique paper. You have watched the True Love Waves video. So, the video is, the video is giving a lesson to all the young people who will watch it, that when they fall in love with the opposite sex, they should be careful. No? And then do not be too emotional that you will forget your limitation. That when the moment comes that there will be intense what? Intense
You can be pregnant at an early age or at a not prepared situation. If you are the guy, yeah, it happened that the girl you have the girl is you have sex with, you get pregnant. Are you willing to? It's not palatulan. Are you willing to take the responsibility? Okay. How about your number? How about example? If ever you are the girl in the video, what will happen to you? Or how will you handle the next thing which will happen to you? Okay. What if you are given second chance? You will not get pregnant. Would you do it again? No. If you are given a second chance, kay dili ko pumunti, would you do it again? Dapat? Dili. No? You should learn a lesson. Okay, with your output, I'll give you 50 points. Ala, natin sa ano? 50 points. Dapat ito mo niya. Alright, for the application. What is floating? Yes! Isa lang. Money. Ang answer sa tanan para makagawas na. What is floating? Yes, I see. Okay, thank you. Another one. Another salain. Another one. Sa gani? Zero. Okay, sa gani? Okay, next question. What does arithmetic do? Yes, answer. Abigail. Okay, correct. Yeah. What are the parts of arithmetic? Hello. Yes, ma'am. Okay, correct. Assignment. Make a critique out from the given literary piece. Narasha. The title of the literary piece is We Used to Be. We used to be what? Okay, that is my kid. Okay, listen. He was sitting at the last bench on the last row of the Union Church building. I did not make eye contact. I never tried. He would not either, I'm sure. However, I see him in my peripheral vision. Ano peripheral vision? Yes, that is your peripheral vision. His expression somber. What do you mean by somber? Lungkot. May lungkot sa kanyang facial expression. His
avoided him. I did not. We made eye contact. Yeah. The hug was tentative. It was so fast it felt like a blur. It was more on an obligation, like it did not have a choice, like it never happened. He left and I kept walking. I never looked back since. What happened to them? Also hindi ma-regret. Hindi. Alright, if you want imparted today. Thank you so much, everyone.